why you still doing all those things? I don't wanna brag in my stilo. More like only talking to my pillow.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one kind of revisiting something from the last time I reviewed this. This was in the 2700s of reviews. This will be like 47, 80 something. This is Daikoku, and it's Assari Miso. Yeah. This came out of a Zen Pop triple box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount on one of those. So basically you just put this one in 350 milliliters of crystal clear boiling water. And then your noodle block for 3 minutes. Comes with a liquid base sachet, and there goes that. And then we'll let this chill out. So it is Friday, and we went and did some of our shopping a little bit ago. I got some more kimchi. I'm pretty jazzed on that. And actually, I've got some Korean varieties that I've been kind of backing away from a little bit until I got some more of that. Plus, I really like kimchi. I used to eat it quite often, and then kind of stopped. And it's low-cal stuff, so it's like 100 grams is 35 calories. And it's spicy and flavorful and good. So yeah, got some kimchi. And before, I thought I had like the tastiest brand that I'd ever tried. And then I was like, well, that one costs more. I'm gonna go for the cheaper stuff. And the cheaper stuff I got is way better. So, yeah. Win, 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 win. It is the 15th of September 2023. Supposed to hit, I think today it's supposed to get up to like 82 degrees outside. It's 2:37 p.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where the skies are clear, the sun is out, and I'm sitting in front of you, and you're waiting for these noodles to finish steeping. And what did we have? We had a big earthquake in Morocco. And then we've got flooding in Libya, and yeah, a lot of crazy business going on in the world right now. But we're gonna play Wii later, which is like, I don't know, we're gonna play Wii. We don't have flooding and earthquake games in Wii. We're gonna play, I don't know what the name of the company that makes the software, but it's like MLB Baseball 2009. We're gonna play that. We got a couple other games, but it's got Tim Lincecum from the San Francisco Giants on the DVD box. Is that what we call them now? We went from the age of having video cassettes to the age of DVDs, which were thinner. And now, does anybody even buy DVDs anymore? I know my sister does. I think she might be an outlier because everything's just streaming now. So what's the point of trying to find a place? I mean, I go to the thrift store and they have like a wall of DVDs. And it's like, it used to be if you saw something like that, they would have the boxes for the DVDs and you would have to go to the front and they would have them all in a big file. And then you would get yeah, I want to buy this one. Okay, well, we'll go get the DVD for you. Nowadays, it's like, oh, it's a DVD. Nobody cares. It's crazy how those things have changed, I think. Here's what we end up with. I'm curious how this will be. I don't know what score I gave this one way back when, but I have a feeling I probably didn't like it so much, but we'll see. Oh yeah, this is a red miso. A lot of red miso. I like it when they balance it with red and maybe white miso. That's kind of nice. But, yeah. Corn. I do like this one though. This one's not bad. I've had red miso that they've done in such a way that it just tastes like a bowl of dirt. And usually that's like, oh, what was it? Like sesame miso salad dressing. It's just like, you know, but this isn't bad. So, no straining on that. Here, we want to get some of this. There's a lot of seaweed in there. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. So tomorrow, we're going to torture the children. We're going to make them walk with us to this park that has a funny Scandinavian name. I can't think of it at the moment. But we're going to go to the... Oh, I want to do that first. I'm going to use some foo. Right about there. Maybe another one right about there. Suck up that broth, foo. I pity the foo that don't use foo in their ramen. That was bad. That was really bad. That was bad, like... I don't know. That was really bad. Sorry. I'm actually gonna get rid of some of this noodles so the broth has more of a chance to talk. So this little flour food stuff is just basically like bready stuff that soaks up the broth, kind of gets a little bit of texture. Not much texture, I mean it's like bread texture, granted, but it kind of adds a little something. Really little. Yeah. And we're going to add some apply heat. Like so. We need our egg friend. Your egg friend. Here's our egg friend. Coming right Yes, like that. And then we're gonna use some of this. Yes. Spring onion right there. As you can see, our flour foo is starting to engorge itself, becoming fully engorged on the broth, as it were. Oh yeah. It's not bad, but I'm gonna say this one is definitely not a showstopper. It's like a utility ramen. It's not the kind of thing that makes you go like, oh my god, I gotta go to the store and get more of that stuff. Holy crap. No. Not for me, maybe for you. Yeah, the Daikoku stuff, I think there might have been one or two that maybe have gotten 5 stars, but honestly, that might be a stretch too. Need some shichimi. I've got too many spices, folks. There, we'll use this stuff. A little shichimi, right? Like that. I don't know, it's not spectacular. But it'll work. I can live with that. Just rotate and alleviate. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I might do this again tomorrow. I don't know. It just matters. I would have to get another post ready. It could happen. We'll see. But there will be an episode for you to see tomorrow, regardless. This has been Hans the Ramenrator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.